morning class. How are you all? You all are fine. Very good. So now it's time we begin our today's classes. And you know what is special about today? Can anyone tell me? Just see what I have written in the date today. Today is 1st. अब मैम अभी तो हम 30, 29, फिर 20, 30 भी आई, 31st भी आई, तो आज 1st. Yes, today is 1st because if you remember, I used to write 10 here because that was October month going on and that was the 10th month of the year. Now today a new month has begun and that is November month. And today is the first day of November month. That is why I have written 1st November. Now this 11 is referred as November month of the year and year is 21. So today is 1st November 2021 and what's the day today? आप बताएंगे? Today is Monday. Yes, very good. The first day of the week. So, do anyone remember what we did on Friday? Yes, we have learned about an alphabet whose sound was G. जिसकी sound थी G. So, which alphabet has the sound G? Green, G, gate, G, grapes. Yes, you are right. We have learnt about alphabet or you can say letter G, where we have tried to identify so many pictures with the letter and we have also practiced writing this letter on dots or you can say on the dotted lines, isn't it? But today we are again going to revise this alphabet once and after that we are going to learn how to write this letter in our notebook without dots. So I have given you a very simple trick to write. Today we are going to just practice it once again. But before moving towards our writing work, what we are going to do? We are again going to identify and tell some names of the objects that begins with letter G. Is that clear to everyone? Yes. So, can anyone tell me about 5 things that begins with letter G? Grapes, one by one. Grapes, gun, gift, then green. You know green color? We have guitar, we have goat, we have gate, glass and so on, isn't it? So let's have a quick revision of all these names and pictures. So what's this class? It's a gate. What is a gate? The one which we have at the entrance of our building. चाहे वो school building है, आप जब कभी school आओगे or even when you go to your home or you go to any of the big building, you will find something really big made of iron there. Isn't it? आपके घर के भी entrance का gate और जो room के doors हैं, they have different. जो gate है वो main entrance जो होती है, we call that gate. It's big in size, made of iron or something like that. And doors we are having at every room, at the entrance of every room. So that we call a door, but gate is big in size. Okay. Now, what are these? Grapes. Yes. So we eat grapes. Do you all like eating grapes? Yes. And there's a very beautiful story also, the fox and the grapes. I'll try to narrate the story in some of the class. Okay. Then what's this? Glass. Very good. What is this? That is spread all over your park, your garden, where you walk. one which is used by the policemen or soldiers. That is not for you kids. Kids, they have a playing gun again. Okay? What is this? Goggles. So you all must be having one with you. जब भी आप कभी मम्मा के साथ पापा के साथ मार्केट जाते हो or you go out somewhere for picnic, we always wear one, isn't it? I know you all must be having one. Then we have gifts. Wow, we all love getting gifts, isn't it? जब भी कोई हमें गिफ्ट देता है, how much we love it, and we are so curious. हमें मन करता है उसको कभी की तभी खोलना and to check it. Don't it like that? Yes. Then we have guitar. We have board. Okay, tell me something. Whenever we do any activity, whenever even when ma'am is teaching you activities, paper craft activity, we use something to paste those papers. What's that? It's glue, isn't it? You call it Fevicol. Some of us we call it glue. जिससे वो stick हो जाता है, चिपक जाता है, isn't it? Then we have green color. We have games, isn't it? We all love playing games with our friends, with the people at home. मजा आता है सबके साथ. Indoor games होते हैं, कुछ games outdoor होते हैं. So we love playing these games. Again, games. Then we have garlic. आप देखेंगे winters आ रही है. Mama will be using it in cooking the food. Then we have gold. I have told you about golden color. So gold is from that golden gold. Then we have girl. So everyone knows who is a girl, who is a boy, isn't it? Girl. So these are few things that begins with letter G. Like we have garbage also. What is garbage? कूड़ा. So we should throw garbage here and there everywhere, ना? कहीं पे भी कूड़ा फेंक दो, हमें क्या करना है? Isn't it? No. Yes, very good. So you should always throw your garbage in the bins. And okay, and whenever the garbage van is coming, जब वो कूड़े वाली गाड़ी, the garbage van comes, just give away all your garbage to that van. Okay? Now class comes the tracing part of the letter. How we write this letter. I have already told you how we write it. We first make a C, standing line, then we make a sleeping line, and we have to make one more standing line. How? Just see here. First you make a C like this, isn't it? आप सबको letter C की formation आती है. Make a C like this, then we go straight. ये वाली जो बीच में blue जो blue line है first, उस तक आपको जाना है. Then go like this. And this is your letter G. Is that clear? Standing line here and like this. Understood all? C followed by a standing line and a sleeping line. This is how we write letter G. Clear? This is one way of writing. Now, ma'am has written it like this. You can write like this also, but this one is given in the book. So, we will follow this formation of letter G. Understood everyone? Again, I am showing letter C like this, standing line and sleeping line. This is how we do the formation of letter G. Now I will show you the same in your notebook. Just see once and do it. Okay? So class, you will begin your work in the notebook like this, where you will first write today's date. So today is 1st November 2021 and we are going to trace letter G. Now I have drawn pictures grapes, green color and gun. So you can draw these pictures or you can draw something else you want. Now let's see how to write this alphabet. As I told you, First, you have to trace C like this. Then you will make a standing line and like this. So this is your letter G. G says G. G says G. G, grapes. Then we have G, green. G, gun. G, goat. G, guitar. G, girl. G, garbage. G, grass. G, gift. Clear, class? So this is how you will trace. I'll show you once again tracing here. Like this, standing line and sleeping line. Clear? So now it's time for you all to start your work and practice tracing alphabet G in your notebook. Hope you have understood. Make pictures and color them as well. Bye. Take care.